There's your ally Pete. Frank was right, he said.
Frank's
Yes.
been right. Frank was right. Frank will be right next year and the year after that.
Yeah, well, where do you see the
Unfortunately.
offseason? The offseason's going to be terrible.
Yep.
The Mets basically had a Cinderella season and it turned into a pumpkin. Speaking of pumpkin, we got some pumpkin soda.
What a segue.
We got some pumpkin soda. And I think maybe you have something to do with this. It's called Pete's Pumpkin Patch Soda. From
Sounds perfect.
Camarillo, California. It's even got like a 100 freeway at Central Avenue. It's Pete'sPumpkinPatch.com. So this guy Pete is making sodas out of his pumpkin patch. You know, it's the fall. It's the fall, you know, they have pumpkin spice this, pumpkin spice that. So why not some pumpkin soda? Very orange color, if you notice. So let's see how this soda tastes. Brand. Dan, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Smells like pumpkin pie. Yeah. 3.7.
Wow. That pumpkin's not going to turn into a carriage anytime soon?
No, it's not.
Too bad.
And then in Clement KFC are in fucking denial. But they're gonna see that the off season's gonna be even worse.
Oh,
You
yeah.
fucking watch.
Oh, they'll have to watch.
No, they'll be watching House of Dragons.
Everyone says Clem's such a nice guy.
Alright, I'm gonna dump this shit. Find a sink.